Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word blackjack. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I won a game of blackjack at the casino last night. Blackjack is a popular card game played in casinos, where the goal is to have a hand total closer to 21 than the dealer without going over. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.